best dual sport motorcycle for beginners. Kawasaki KLX250S. The world of motorcycling is an exhilarating realm, offering adventure, freedom, and the thrill of exploration. For beginners, the choice of their first motorcycle is a momentous decision that profoundly influences their journey. The Kawasaki KLX250S, celebrated for its versatile performance, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate dual-sport motorcycle for those embarking on off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and rider-focused attributes, the KLX250S provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Versatile power and off-road capability. At the heart of the Kawasaki KLX250S beats a reliable 249cc liquid-cooled, DOHC, 4-stroke engine. This power plant strikes a harmonious balance between power and approachability, delivering sufficient performance for both on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Rugged design and trail-ready features. The KLX250S boasts a rugged and purposeful design, featuring long travel suspension, spoke wheels, and ample ground clearance. These elements equip it to tackle dirt trails, rocky paths, and challenging off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-oriented layout. The KLX250S is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers an upright riding position that ensures ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The well-padded seat, wide handlebars, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road agility. The Kawasaki KLX250S is celebrated for its responsive handling and off-road prowess. Its lightweight chassis, capable suspension, and nimble characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike in demanding conditions, whether it's rocky trails or forest paths. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the KLX250S often comes equipped with features like handguards, skid plates, and an upright riding posture that enhance safety and rider confidence. These features instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the KLX250S excels in off-road adventures, it is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, city rides, and short trips, making it a well-rounded dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand and the dual-sport lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for off-road exploration and the KLX250S's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki KLX250S encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-efficient adventure. The KLX250S is known for its affordability and cost-efficient ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without a substantial financial commitment. Customization options and personalization. The KLX250S offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual tastes. Whether it's adding luggage racks, auxiliary lights, or other accessories, the KLX250S can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Conclusion. The Kawasaki KLX250S embodies the spirit of dual-sport riding and Kawasaki's commitment to providing the perfect dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its versatile performance, rugged design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the KLX250S offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Kawasaki KLX250S as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. The KLX250S is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of off-road excitement and unforgettable experiences.